Hey, second grade writers, welcome to writing lesson 6. I hope you're growing in your confidence as an opinion writer because you are doing a great job. You've learned all about the pieces and parts of opinion writing, how to do them, and how to pull it all together to write to a prompt. Today, you're going to be writing an opinion piece using a new prompt. And actually, this prompt is going to help me out. Today you're going to be reading 2 texts and you're going to be deciding which would make a better pet, a rabbit or a hedgehog. And here's why this is going to help me out. My son Caleb would like to get a pet. And right now these are actually the 2 animals he's choosing between, a rabbit or a hedgehog. I'm wondering if you can help convince him and me which one would make the better pet and why. So here's your job today. Using a prompt, I can write an opinion piece where I introduce the topic, state an opinion, supply reasons that support that opinion, use linking words, and provide a conclusion, which means you're going to use everything you know about opinion writing to write your opinion about which would make a better pet, a rabbit or a hedgehog. If you brought this prompt home with you from school, go ahead and make sure you have it out now with a pencil because we're going to do some writing on it. If you don't, that's okay. It'll be later on in the Nearpod. This is your rabbits and hedgehogs prompt, and you've learned in a previous lesson steps for writing to a prompt. So we're going to talk through them quickly before you get started today. Step 1 is to read the prompt and think, what is the type? So is it opinion or informational? And what is the topic, or what is it about? So let's read the prompt and then see if we can figure out those 2 things. After looking at the photographs and reading about rabbits and hedgehogs, in your opinion, which animal would make a better pet, a rabbit or a hedgehog? All right, so think, what type? Is it opinion or informational? Can you tell me? It's opinion. We can circle that in our writing prompt so we remember. So if you have your writing prompt, do that now. Circle opinion. So this is going to be a writing where you tell your thoughts and your feelings and support those with reasons. But we need to know what we're writing our opinion about. So what's the topic? What is it about? Can you say? Good. Let's underline that. Which animal would make a better pet, a rabbit or a hedgehog? Notice it says a better pet. Not just which animal is greater, which animal specifically would make a better pet. Because I might think lions are pretty cool, but they definitely would not make a great pet, right? So we're thinking in the lines of which would make a better pet. So now you know you're going to be writing your thoughts and feelings, your opinion, and specifically which is a better pet. A rabbit is a better pet or a hedgehog is a better pet. Let's keep reading. Use evidence from the photographs and text to support your answer. Remember to state an opinion, supply reasons to support your opinion, use linking words, include a conclusion, and use capital letters and punctuation correctly. All of those are things that we've practiced doing all throughout Module C and D. So you're experts. You know how to do that. So now we've read the prompt. Step 2, we need to gather facts. Do you remember how we gathered facts? We made a T-chart in our planning space, and then we labeled it with our 2 choices. In this case, it's rabbits and hedgehogs. So if you want to pause the video right now and do that, go ahead. Or you can do this on your own during independent writing time. All right, so we're going to gather facts. And remember, when we do that, we look at the photographs and text features and the words. We look at both to get our facts. You may have come home with this text. If you didn't, it'll be in the Nearpod. The top is about rabbits and the bottom is about hedgehogs. You are going to read each section and look carefully at the photographs. You're going to jot information about rabbits on this side and information about hedgehogs on this side. Remember, even if you can't read every part of this text, it's okay. Read the parts that you can read and study the photographs. You can still get true, good information from the photographs and the parts of the text that you read. So you're going to jot those facts about rabbits here and the facts about hedgehogs here. Then, step 3, determine your opinion and your reasons. So then you have to decide, are you going to go with rabbits as the better pet or hedgehogs as the better pet? And you could even circle it if you need to. Once you decide, let's say I'm going with hedgehogs, I need my 3 reasons. And remember, it's not like hedgehogs have spiny skin, have spines, or hedgehogs are small, right? Those are facts about it. We want our reasons why. Hedgehogs are cute, or hedgehogs are easy to take care of, or rabbits are adorable. We give those reasons, and then we'll support those reasons with the facts from our T-chart. And then finally, you write your opinion piece, using everything you know about opinion writing. Later on in the Nearpod, I'm going to have shots of all of the anchor charts that we've used if you need some help with your introduction or your reasons or your conclusion. You can go back and use those anchor charts to help yourself. Okay, writers, you're on your own now. It's time for you to practice being independent with this kind of writing. You've learned how to do all of this. I want to see what you can do almost completely on your own right now. So here's your job. Write to respond to the practice writing prompt. We read it together already once. You can always replay the video to listen to us read it again. You're going to gather the facts from the rabbits and hedgehogs text. This you do need to read on your own. But remember, if you can't read every single thing, don't get frustrated. It's okay. Gather the facts that you can read and facts from the photographs, because that can give you a lot of information. Then use what you've learned about opinion writing to make your writing great. If you want to look back at any of our anchor charts to help yourself, they're going to be on the next few slides in the Nearpod. Make sure that you're doing your own work and you're working hard, because this is practice for the big writing that's coming up that's going to show off everything that you know. Plus also, your writing is going to help me and Caleb to decide, should we get a rabbit or should we get a hedgehog? Okay, writers, head off, use everything you know about opinion writing to respond to your writing prompt. And when your writing time is over, go ahead and head back here so you can reflect on your writing time. All right, writers, have fun.